Staying strong after 60 does not require costly powders. Your dinner plate holds hidden muscle-building power. These 9 vegetables deliver protein and nutrients that rebuild muscle fibers, ease joint stress, and sharpen mind-body coordination. Add them to your meals and feel the difference. Number 9. Okra. This humble green pod provides around 2 grams of protein per cup. More importantly, okra's soluble fiber and mucilage support digestion and help your body absorb more nutrients from each meal. Its antioxidants reduce muscle inflammation, while magnesium and potassium help muscles contract smoothly, an excellent aid against fatigue and night cramps. Number 8. Asparagus. 1 cup offers 2 to 3 grams of protein plus choline, a nutrient vital for smooth coordination between the brain and muscles. Rich in vitamin E and folate, asparagus fights cellular damage and boosts blood circulation, which means less swelling and faster recovery. Its glutathione content supports muscle resilience as you age. Number 7. Brussels sprouts. Small in size, but a cup delivers 4 grams of protein. Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamin C for collagen production, keeping muscles and joints agile. Vitamin K strengthens bones and nerve-to-muscle communication, protecting balance and reducing falls, a must for staying independent. Number 6. Broccoli. With about 3 grams of protein per serving, broccoli's real superpower is sulforaphane, a compound fighting inflammation and speeding up muscle recovery. It's also a great source of vitamin C, K, folate, and fiber, making your body more receptive to all kinds of nutrients. Number 5. Kale. Kale is a muscle and bone protector, delivering around 4 grams of protein per cup plus vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, and unique antioxidants like alpha-lipoic acid. This combo helps direct calcium to your muscles and bones, so you avoid cramps and fatigue. Number 4. Spinach. A 100-gram serving gives up to 5 g of protein and is loaded with magnesium, essential for smooth muscle activity. Its nitrates support blood flow, giving you greater stamina for daily activity, while plant pigments fight inflammation that can erode muscle over time. Number 3. Mushrooms. Mushrooms provide 3 to 5 grams of protein per 100 gram serving. Rich in B vitamins and selenium, they support energy metabolism and shield muscle fibers from oxidative damage. Beta-glucans in mushrooms soothe hidden inflammation and also benefit brain function. Number 2. Green peas. Just 1 cup packs nearly 8 g of protein, a true standout among vegetables. Peas contain leucine, which is critical for muscle repair, plus lots of fiber, vitamin K, and folate for strong bones and joints. Number 1. Moringa. A true nutrition powerhouse, moringa leaves deliver nearly 9 g of protein per 100 gram and contain all 9 essential amino acids. They feature iron, calcium, and potent antioxidants. Moringa is easy to add to soups, stews, or smoothies and works gently, with powerful, lasting effects. Each of these vegetables, when included regularly, can help you preserve your strength, boost flexibility, and stay confident and independent as you age. Have you tried any of these yet? Which will you add to your next meal? Share your thoughts and keep the conversation going.